When you buy an apartment, you enter an agreement with the builder. Undoubtedly, it will be a printed agreement where you sign. You don't have any bargaining power. You don't have any bargaining power on the rate of interest that is charged by the builder if you default. You don't have any bargaining power if you want some relaxation on payments. You don't have any bargaining power if the builder defaults. Builder also can default. Builder also can delay the project, or builder also can build a project with inferior quality materials. So there will be defaults by the builder, there will be defaults by the purchaser also. But in an agreement that is drafted and printed and decided, that the terms are pre-decided by the builder, you don't have any bargaining power. Sometimes builder charges 24% also. Of course, if that goes to court, that's a different issue. Court will not allow that rate of interest. In spite of RERA having a format for an agreement of sale. RERA means Real Estate Regulatory Authority, which is a government body which regulates the real estate builders and agents also. In spite of having an agreement of sale format designed by RERA, builders incorporate these illegal terms into the agreement of sale. What to do? You have no option. You have to accept, because you approach the builder, and because builder also is dealing with number of flats, he can't customize each and every agreement. You also will understand that aspect, and you will accept for signing the contract, signing the agreement of sale where you don't have any bargaining power. Now, what is the remedy? What happens if such kind of cases go to court? In one judgment, the Supreme Court interpreted in favor of the buyer. What happened was, builder could not deliver as per the agreement or within time, or builder defaulted. And when the buyer asked for the refund, builder did not, because refund clause itself was not there in the agreement. Builder funded or accepted for a refund with nominal bank interest. Because buyer is at a vulnerable position, there is no other option for buyer. Builder did not give the flat. Builder is big in size. Builder has a lot of muscle. Money muscle, other muscles. What can buyer do? Buyer has only a court muscle, a muscle where it can be flexed in courts. So therefore, builder said that he would pay only bank rate of interest, and buyer said he wanted more rate of interest. Then the matter reached the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court said that whatever the builder decided to charge if the buyer defaulted, in this case it was 18%. If the buyer defaults in making the payments to the builder will charge 18% rate of interest. The same rate of interest must be given to buyer. This is what Supreme Court decided. So the beauty of this judgment is the same terms, in spite, let him write whatever terms he want. The builder must understand that, or you must understand as a citizen or a buyer, that the same terms will be applied if possible to the buyer also, if it comes to court. This is a very good piece of legislation where right to equality is recognized and acknowledged, even though builder has more muscle power, more financial muscle power than the buyer. No doubt RERA has a provision, RERA Act has a provision that interest must be bank rate of interest, bank lending, prime lending, PLR rate of interest. That must be charged for both sides. That is what is written in RERA. There is a basic fundamental rule that was prescribed in the RERA Act. So whatever the terms and conditions prescribed by the builder, don't worry, because even though you have less bargaining power, don't worry, enter into an agreement and see that if your right is not protected, you can approach consumer court, or you can approach RERA, or you can approach higher courts. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, kindly comment.